Hey, just got back from Walmart with Ro. Say hey, Ro.
Hey.
Look at all the food we got. I'm gonna walk y'all through everything we got. We got, y'all see this? We got some Monster. We got them Riddle Skittles, Hot Pockets, ham and cheese, and Philly steak and cheese. Boy, honey buns, buttermilk, waffles with the butter. Oops, berry, them motherfuckers fine. Rolanda got some chips and some dip. Some more chips, juice, some fruit cups, because these motherfuckers fine. No sugar added. I got some lunch meat and some bread. Lunchables, tuna, bagels, juice, Gatorade. Here go her cream cheese for her bagel. But I'm finna make me some peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. Got me some vegetables because I don't want to die in college from eating junk food. Our water, our milk. See that? And our own tissues, because those bitches have not supplied the damn bathroom with enough tissue, so we're just gonna take our own rolls. But see y'all later.